Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can hide your activity on your Yubo. First of all, go onto your Yubo app, and after you are on your Yubo, go onto your profile avatar right here on the top right side of the screen. From here, go onto the settings again, which is on the top right side of the screen. Here you can see an option for safety and privacy. Go onto it and go onto location inside it. Here you can see you need to enable the location. And after you enable location, you can see that there is an option for hide activity on Yubo. If you enable this, you are able to hide activity on Yubo from others. And that is a simple process on how you can hide activity on Yubo. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.